So welcome back friends. Today the question is about a circle. We have to find the radius of given circle. Let us see the important points which are mentioned in this figure. Here AB is a chord which is divided into two parts by this segment OC. The first part measures 8 units and the second part CA measures 3 units, and the segment OC is given as 4 units. Small r is assumed to be the radius of this circle, which is unknown to us. In order to find the radius of this circle, we will use intersecting chords property of a circle. So let us understand what is this theorem. According to this property, if we have a circle and there are two chords which are intersecting each other like this, then if the length is A, B, C and D like this, then A times B is equal to C times D. So this is the property that we are going to use in this given figure. So for that, let us do some modification here. And the modification is very simple, that is, we have to extend this line segment OC. So let us extend it like this, and from C also let us extend it. So this will be the diameter. This will be the diameter. So from here to here, this is small r. Also from here to here, this is small r. Now because this distance is already known to us, that is 4 units, so the remaining distance will be, this will be r minus 4. Let us use this property. So for that, let us name this point as M, this as N, and this is point C. According to property, the distance from M to the point of intersection, that is C, multiplied with C N, this length, must be equal to B to C multiplied with C to A. See, this is the point of intersection, point C. Okay. So M to C, what is the distance? So this is R plus 4. M to C, this is R plus 4. So let us write R plus 4 times Cn, we already found R minus 4, is equal to BC is given as 8 units and CA is given as 3 units. So if we multiply, we will get 24. Let us use a property here, that is A plus B times A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. So using this identity, we will get R plus 4 multiplied with R minus 4 as R squared minus 4 squared, which is equal to 24. So R squared minus 16 is equal to 24. So R squared will be 24 plus 16. So this will be 40. So R will be square root of 40, which is 2 root 10. So the radius of this green circle will be 2 root 10 units. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.